All right. So, we're on, I'm in Homestead right now, and I'm in an area that's probably about 50 minutes away from my house, 20 minutes away from my house, in the agricultural section of it. It's a nice long road. There's a stop sign way ahead of us. So here I'm going to show you how I shift gears under normal riding conditions, and by that I mean, there's hardly any traffic or very little traffic, and you're not in a hurry to go anywhere. You're just out and about, and you just want to do a little bit of sightseeing, enjoy the ride. You don't necessarily want to go really fast, or you don't want to rev up to get from A to B at a fast time. You're just enjoying the ride altogether. So, like I told you before, the rule of thumb is, you're in first gear almost up to 10 miles, then you shift to second gear up to 20, 25 miles, then you shift gears to third at, once you reach 30 miles, fourth gear once you reach 40 miles, etc. That's the rule of thumb. When you're riding normally, you could apply that, but it's really up to you and how your bike tells you it's time to shift gears. And you're gonna see that hopefully, the sun is behind me. You should be able to look at my dashboard. Right now I'm in first gear. Hopefully you'd be able to see it, but I'm also gonna narrate it so you can understand when I'm shifting gears, how fast, etc., etc. So here we go. All right, so my clutch is in. I'm already in first gear, so I'm gonna start rolling out. And like I said, this is gonna be a normal riding condition, and I'm gonna narrate it for you. You'll see how fast I go until I shift to a different gear. That way it gives you an idea when you do it, how you need to do it, okay? So here we go, rolling out. 10 miles, second gear. 20 miles, 25 miles, 30 miles. You can see the engine going up, up, up. 30 miles, I'm already in third gear. I'm gonna reach the stop sign, roll out the throttle, push in the brakes, downshift to second. Keep the clutch in. I'm gonna turn. Clutch in, give it a little bit of throttle, second gear, feathering, second gear, second gear, second gear. 10 miles, still at second. Let go of the clutch, 20 miles an hour. At 30, I'm gonna switch. See how my engine is screaming? I'm gonna go to fourth gear. I can do it right now. I'm gonna wait until I'm 40. Here we go, fourth gear. And I'm not revving it any more than I have to. So I'm maintaining myself between 40 and 42 miles. I'm approaching the turn. So I roll out the throttle, clutch in, third gear, clutch still in, second gear, apply brakes, feather, stay in second gear, slow down, under 20, make the turn. And then feather, and give it throttle. There we go. Here, no more throttle, no more clutch. See how it's screaming? It's screaming, put it in third, put it in third. Here we go. 35 miles an hour. There's another guy there. Miles an hour. Gets a little bumpy here, so I stay at 35. I don't want stop sign. So I roll off the throttle, clutch in, third gear. Still the clutch in, second gear, apply the brakes. Apply the brakes, still in second, feathering, and now throttle, feather, throttle, feather, throttle, 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 throttle. No more throttle. I mean, no more clutch. Third gear. Fourth gear. Now I'm doing about 45. When I reach 50, I put it into fifth gear if I want to. And I do. Fifth gear. Your bike only has 5 gears, so from here on in, you can go as fast as you want without changing gears. I have one more gear to go, and when I reach 60, that's when I'll apply it. Here we go. 6th gear. I'm in 6th gear doing 40. I'm in 6th gear doing 30 without doing anything. Nothing's happening. You see, I'm not stalling. So now I pull in the brake and the clutch and bring it down to 2nd gear to make the turn. Here I go. Now I'm gonna ride very not fast. I mean not in a hurry. So 2nd gear. Take it all the way up to 30. Hear the engine. See? It says, put it up third, man. Boom. Now you're doing 35, still at 3rd gear. Hear the engine. The engine is telling you, all right, I'm approaching high revs. Put it up 4th gear. So now you can stay here. Right now, we gotta stay under 50, so I'm not gonna go up to 5th gear. I'm gonna stay on 4th gear, and I'm gonna stay under 50 miles an hour. So we can enjoy the ride and understand, what I was doing, and get an idea of what you need to do. So I'm doing 45 miles an hour. The engine is humming nicely. You don't need to switch gears unless you want to. Right now, I'm doing 40 under 45. Now it's on 5th gear, and I'm still doing 40 miles an hour, and I'm in 5th gear. But you hear the engine it's gone down. The decibels on the engine is down because it's on a higher gear right now. So this is what I like to do because it also helps to save a little bit of gas. So right now, I can put it at 6th gear right now. 6th gear, and it's running even, it hums even less. So I'm doing 40 miles an hour, and I'm in 6th gear, right? So I'm saving a little bit of gasoline. I'm not revving it up to at all. It's doing fine. It's probably doing 1100 RPMs right now, or 1400 RPMs, which is very low. So I'm gonna bring it up. I'm gonna bring it down, So 5th gear. And you do that by, you bring it down, but you feather the clutch so your bike doesn't jump. 40 miles an hour, 5th gear. I'm gonna bring it down to 4th gear. Here we go. Feather the clutch. Feather the clutch. There you go. It's a smooth transition if you feather the clutch. If you just bring it down to a gear, and you just let go of the clutch fast, it's gonna jump. It's gonna jerk a little bit. It's gonna jolt you, and nothing's gonna happen to you. So you're just gonna feel shitty about it. So I'm doing less than 40 miles an hour, and I'm in 4th gear, and it's still humming nicely. So I'm approaching a turn here. So you can slow it down and still on 4th gear, or bring it down to 3rd gear, which I'm gonna do. See that? Feather the clutch, bring it down to 30. feather, use your brake. Don't bike straight up like I said in the other lesson. I'm gonna put it in neutral now.